Gemstone Tuesday.
Gemstone Tuesday.
We're going to talk a little about aquamarines today. Aquamarine is actually one of my personal favorite stones. I don't know whether it's because I like the color blue. As far as rarity, there are some colors. The really deep blues are pretty rare. The other end of the spectrum is really super light pale ones that almost look clear, but just a tiny bit blue, do not have a lot of value. You know, I've got some aquamarines here that I can show. This is probably the darkest of the aquamarines that I have right here.
Ooh.
And this would be considered really good. And you can just see, even in the little bit of light we have here, it just throws light. Now, the only downside of aquamarine is if the back side of the stone gets dirty, like crud in your rings and stuff like that, all that bright, beautiful flash of light goes away very quickly. This was one of the aquamarines that was just stunning.
Oh,
yeah, this is nuts. This I picked up. We bought it for the crown. What is interesting about aquamarine, you don't see that many large ones anymore. A lot of the really nice large ones you'll find in vintage jewelry. Okay, more fun facts about aquamarine is when aquamarine comes out of the mines, it's actually kind of greenish. They immediately heat treat it to turn it blue. This is actually an aquamarine right here.
That's very watery.
Right.
I love that.
Right, and it can even go, you know, deeper than that, but that's a good example of a fairly green aquamarine. Look at how that throws the light. They're really bright stones, and it doesn't have to be that expensive.
What do you think on like an engagement ring alternative to a diamond for aquas?
I have not really heard of people doing that much.
Oh, okay.
But would it work? Yeah. It's beryl family.
They're
It's a
strong.
hard stone. It's really good for jewelry. I love aquamarine. Good water energy.